Welcome back. The political news in full. President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi on Thursday addressed the UN Food Systems Summit, which aims at setting new strategies to confront the world challenges like famine, poverty and climate change. In his speech via video conference, President el-Sisi stressed the significance of collaborating international efforts to confront food crisis and achieve food security. He said also that establishing sustainable food systems would help achieve food safety for all communities. El-Sisi stressed that the danger of famine limits the ability of the countries and governments on implementing the goals of sustainable development. The president said that Egypt has accelerated with its role by taking preparatory measures for the summit on the domestic and regional levels. Internally, Egypt has launched a national dialogue in December 2020 that included all concerned governmental institutions, representatives from the private sector, civil society associations, resulting in a declaration of transfer and integral sustainable health system. The head of state stressed Egypt's keenness on continuing cooperation with Africa to achieve food safety, adding that Egypt has achieved a healthy food system, especially for the school pupils. The president said that today's summit is considered a unique chance to boost international cooperation and mobilize necessary funding to confront the challenges of food security. El-Sisi called on the international community to put an integral global food system to fulfill the aspiration of people and avert the challenges of food insecurity. On the sidelines of the 76th session of the UN General Assembly in New York, Foreign Minister Sameh Shoukry convened with the Niger counterpart Hamousi Massoudou. The meeting tackled means of enhancing bilateral cooperation, regional and international issues, as well as ways of coordinating to face mutual challenges. Shoukry's meeting also aimed to display the achievements accomplished with the friendly countries and international partners and to achieve the objectives of Egyptian foreign policy during the coming phase. Earlier, Shoukry held a tripartite meeting with counterparts of Greece, Nikos Dandias, and Cyprus, Nikos Christodoulidis. The meeting came as part of the joint cooperation through tripartite cooperation mechanism. The meeting discussed on boosting cooperation between the three countries in different fields and coordination in mutual concern files. The Prime Minister said the return of Egyptian workers to Arab countries to participate in the efforts of building and renovation there is considered a vital step to achieve Arab integrity. He added that this is an evidence of how Egyptian workers are efficient and their great value to neighboring countries. This came during a meeting between Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli and Minister of Manpower Mohammed Safan to tackle the file of Egyptian workers' return to Libya. Safan briefed Madbouli on measures taken to send labor to Libya. On the same level, Minister of Manpower reviewed mechanisms to regulate sending workers to Iraq to contribute to reconstruction process. Egypt reported 722 new coronavirus infections, bringing the total number of cases to 299,710 people since the outbreak hit the country in mid-February last year. The Health Ministry also reported 31 new deaths, bringing the total number of fatalities to 17,074. The ministry added 569 patients were discharged from hospitals, raising the number of those who have recovered to 252,471 people. Welcome back. Prime Minister Dr. Mustafa Madbouli said that the state is working on achieving cooperation and coordination among all bodies to deal with all kinds of emergencies and crises in a specific timeline, in addition to supporting sustainable development plans through using latest telecommunication technology. This came during the Premier's meeting to follow up the latest updates of works in the National Emergency and Public Safety Network. Madbouli also noted that President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi is closely following up this file. He also added that a guideline will be implemented in some governments and that government is seeking to apply it nationwide through connecting all emergency bodies and vital utilities through a central operation chamber in every governorate to receive emergency notice from the citizens.